before you proceed, it's prudent that you can suggest, or you can indicate how much time that you are going to spend, so that it's put on record.
Chairman, I think you had already given indications as to time. I mentioned that each party had 30 minutes in exam-in-chief, 20 into examination,
Yes.
in course, and 10 into examination. I presume, as it has been taken as the time for cross-examination, that the 10 minutes for the examination would be for each witness, which in time will give us 50 minutes in total.
Yes.
We will not take more than 50 minutes.
Thank you. Proceed.
Thank you. Benson, I want to remind you that you're still under oath. Let me start with the form in which your petition took. Please clarify to this committee the petition you filed. There's been a lot of issues as to the two documents and two sets. I'd like you to clarify to this committee the petition that you filed.
What I filed on the 6th of March is a complete document which I
The,
it's a two-page document which
petition. Do you have any evidence that you attached to the two-page petition?
no.
Sorry, if I may ask again, what else did you file besides the two-page petition?
Later I filed two-page report that supporting the document. Just in case I'm late to the club, just in case there are things that I can
And is that the bundle that has pleadings from page 1 to 45 and different documents,
Yes.
paginated 1 to 97?
Yes.
Thank you. Moving to that particular document at page 42. Who signed that petition?
Signed by my lawyer. The lawyer from
I want you to go flip over to page 42, 43. What is that document?
supporting that.
Is it signed by you?
Yes, signed.
Please start more particularly paragraph 13 and 14. I'd like you to read paragraph 13 and 14 to clarify to this court why you signed that.
I therefore ask the House to intervene in the
Objection. If I may respond, the issue of extension of the persons above 60 was raised by the respondents and none other by Mobutu himself. That issue of the requirements of the casuals to meet certain thresholds was raised by none other than Mobutu himself. So what I am doing is re-examination, touching on the issues that he raised. And I am perfectly now. What he has done now is to give two things. One, conclusions to convince this committee that such casual laborers have such unique skills. We say the casual surgeons, casual lawyers. I think he can hold resources. We will submit eventually. There is no objection for you to consider. Chairman, would you allow me to proceed? Thank you for the clarity. Carry on. I want to move on to same my very good learned friend who touched on the first link of engagement of persons above 60. And as my colleague